let's do this problem and I read it first. State the principle of superposition as used in control systems. Then determine the output C. So guys, for the principle of superposition, using this diagram is actually the summation or the sum of the output when we consider R and taking U as 0, plus when we consider U taking R as 0, the sum taken separately gives us the output, and that is what we call the principle of superposition. Guys, now we come and to determine the output C, and so that's what guys we are going to do right here. Guys, I'm first of all going to take R as the input while taking U as 0. So we consider R, U we take it as equal to 0. So guys, we are going to eliminate this one first and take up R first. And so guys, let me draw the diagram offline and then we continue. So guys, this is the diagram. I've eliminated U first. I first of all take the input R. So U is considered as 0 at this point. And so therefore guys, I'm going to get C1 first. So guys, I combine the blocks. So if I combine the blocks, guys, I shall have G1, G2 there, because they are blocks in cascade. And then we have the feedback there, which is H, like that. This is R, we have plus there and a plus there. So guys, I now get the C1 from this. So what I'll do, I'll eliminate the feedback. So eliminating the feedback, guys, this is what we are going to have. We are going to have one block, then we have G1, G2 all over 1. Since this is plus, this will be negative. Then we have, so guys, let me make some correction there. This one was actually negative. This was negative, and so this is also negative, and this is also negative. And so therefore guys, when now we come here, we will consider this. This is now going to be plus G1, G2, H. So this one gives us, so guys, now this is what we have after eliminating the feedback. So guys, I have corrected here, it's plus. As you can see, I have put now the negative, which was formerly supposed to be there. So guys, now our C1 is then going to be equal to K, not K but R, G1, G2 all over 1 plus G1, G2, H. So guys, we have found our first solution. Now guys, we come to find C2. So this is our diagram. Guys, now we come and eliminate this. We consider this one we take it as 0, and so we eliminate it so that we'll join this part. And before guys we do that, for us to be able to understand better, I'll rotate this diagram so that U shall be here. This U is going to be here, and this is how I draw it, guys. So let me draw it offline and I then explain to you. So guys, this is what we have. Guys, what I have done, I have brought this U to this point, so that whatever is ahead of U is actually G2. This is the G2. Then the G1 is supposed to be at this position, because as you can see, G2 is ahead, G1 is behind, just as I can show you here. G2 ahead, G1 behind. Since we have removed this, guys, we shall have H. This H is what we are going to have, and this is the H. But now, guys, if we check here, we find that in front of H, here we had a negative. So this negative, guys, we are going to transfer it to this position, so that instead of having plus, we shall have a minus here. Guys, we are going to have a minus at that position. And so now, guys, we do the question as it is. So let's continue. So guys, we shall have to combine these two so that we have GH, and then we have our summing point right here, having a negative there. Here we have U. Guys, here we have G2. And this is our feedback. We have the C2 there. Guys, now we can eliminate the feedback. This is G1. This is G2. Eliminating the feedback, guys, this is what we are going to have. Because we have that there. It's going to give us, this is G2 all over 1. This is now going to be plus yet again G2, G1, H, and this one now gives us the C2. Here we have U. And so therefore, the C2 is now supposed to be equal to U, G2 all over 1 plus G2, G1, H, like that. And so therefore, guys, our C is the sum of both. So we are going to have R, G1, G2 all over 1 plus G1, G2, H plus the C2, U, G2 all over 1 plus G2, G1, H. And so therefore, guys, this is our solution. So guys, thank you for listening to me. Bye bye.